Are you tired of only seeing the newest 50 emails in Gmail? Learn to instantly access all your older messages in under 30 seconds. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly where to find the navigation arrows and how to use them to browse all your emails. First, go ahead and navigate to your Gmail homepage. Now, look at the top right corner of the email list. You'll see the current email range, like 1 to 50 of 2,325. Click the Next Page arrow, that's the forward arrow button, to move to the next page of emails. Keep clicking Next Page to browse through older emails. To go back to newer emails, just click the previous page arrow, the slash button, and if that next page arrow is grayed out, you've reached the last page. That's all there is to it. If you have any feedback, or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.